station and I picked some snacks to eat on my way. And bye.
After a lunch full of Indian delicacies at a famous Indian fast food chain in Detroit, we were all set to explore this location, which is in Lower Peninsula of Michigan.
Hi. So we are at Sleeping Bear Sand Dunes. It's in Michigan. So we are standing at this beautiful sand dunes. I'm standing in sand, and we need to go to other side of the sand dune to see the magic. And the biggest lake, I think this is one of the world's biggest lakes amongst other biggest lakes. So just come along with me. See, these are beautiful sand dunes.
I'm so excited, and I definitely want to reach the shores of Lake Michigan and get back. That will make the visit complete, right? But you have to watch this video at the end, and you have to see if I was able to make it this time or I couldn't make it this time. So stay tuned and watch the entire video.
I think we have almost reached there, but there are a few still slopes that we need to go up and go down, and then we might get there at the lake shore. So we have almost climbed up something. So you need to follow these poles. If you want to come all the way, you can park your car. You can come all the way climbing up all the sand dunes, and you just have to follow these wooden poles, and they have done the numbering up there. So you can just check, and you have to go till number 30 to reach the actual lake shore. And now I think it's time for sunset, so we might not be able to go all the way down at the lake shore, unfortunately, but because it's too late and we need to go all the way back, so it took us around 1.5 hours or so, and we need to climb that all the way back. And now as it is sunset, so I'm not really sure if we'll have enough of light or no, while we are heading back. And there is a lot more journey actually that we need to do after that. So we need to drive all the way again 5 more hours. So I think this is it. And I think even from here view is pretty much clear and nice, and you can see the beautiful skies. So it's kind of wonderful. It's really tiring, and I thought it's just going to be one slope, climb it up, and once you're done climbing that entire one hill, and then it's gonna be the lake out there just behind that hill. But no, it wasn't like that. So we've been climbing, so it's like zigzag. We've been climbing from past 1.5 hours or so, and we thought now we reach, but no, we haven't reached it, and it's gonna take another couple of hours to reach to lake, so we have decided not to go all the way to the lake shore, but some other time I would definitely love to go and sit by the lake shore.
Oh god, it's already so late in the evening and we need to reach Munising. Oh, I think I just revealed the location of the next video, I guess. So make sure you're subscribing to Culture Cocktail to see all the upcoming videos, and I'm sure you'll love all those beautiful scenic places in Michigan. Well, this place called Munising is a pretty small town located in upper part of the Upper Michigan. It's at the corner. It's a great town with many awesome attractions of Upper Michigan at close reach. We are taking an Airbnb. You'll definitely find pretty reasonable priced options here.
Hi guys, so it's almost about to get 9 o'clock at night and it's totally dark. We don't have any lights except our mobile flash. We had no idea. So if you would want to visit and plan, make sure you'll plan before the sunset, okay? Because it takes say 2 hours to go and 2 hours to come back and 2 hours to sit there. So you have to plan accordingly, because now it's very tough to go back. So we will need another 15-20 minutes to reach to our car parking where we have parked the car. It's totally dark. It's very difficult. So I've turned on my mobile's flashlight, the only light, and almost our mobile phone's batteries are also dead. So it's kind of tricky, but hopefully I'll be able to reach to my parking lot. I'll keep you updated. Bye. So now we are almost about to reach our parking lot, and like those are my car lights, if you can see. Okay, so finally we've been able to come back to our car. So see, that's where I parked the car, and so maybe adventure turned a different reality. So, but it was an overall very fun experience. And see, now I'm not being able to even speak because I'm totally frozen. It's very cold, and okay, so I think I'll keep you updated and I'll tell you the entire experience. But yeah, this is what my live and actual experience is, no filter. And I'll tell you, what all you need to take into consideration before you plan or coming to Sleeping Bear or sand dunes, okay?
Thank you so much for watching this video, and stay tuned for the next video. Make sure you share this video with your friends, families and WhatsApp groups.